Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView Volume Footprint. This powerful tool transforms raw volume data into a visual roadmap of market behavior. Unlike traditional charts, it shows you the exact buying and selling pressure at each price point within a candle. This detailed view helps you understand market sentiment and spot areas of significant activity, giving you a clearer picture of supply and demand dynamics. To read a volume footprint chart, observe the distribution of volume within each candle. Typically, seller volume appears on the left and buyer volume on the right, often with gradient colors indicating intensity. A key component is the delta, which represents the net difference between buying and selling volume for that period. A positive delta suggests more buying pressure, while a negative delta indicates more selling pressure, offering insights into market sentiment. Volume footprint charts are excellent for confirming trading strategies. Look for alignment between price movement and delta. For instance, an upward price move with a positive delta is a strong bullish signal. The point of control, or POC, highlights the price level with the most traded volume, often acting as significant support or resistance. Conversely, a divergence between price and delta can signal a potential market reversal, helping you refine entry and exit points. For advanced use, always combine volume footprint analysis with other technical indicators and market structure recognition to confirm your biases. It works best in liquid markets, so choose your assets wisely. Experiment with different timeframes to see how order flow dynamics change. Remember, practice is key to mastering this tool. And speaking of good deals, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for a great air freshener, along with other helpful resources and tutorials to deepen your trading knowledge.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.